In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix route not available in Trust Wallet. So there's actually one thing you can do that I know that works for sure, but of course the first thing you should try is just updating the app. So sometimes if you just update the app, this will work, but sometimes again, it's not gonna. So if it still doesn't work for you, even though your app is up to date, here's what you should do. So you shouldn't actually swap on here because this issue usually happens when you're trying to swap something. You can just try swapping on, for example, PancakeSwap or Uniswap or whatever. So sometimes, I don't know what reason that is for, but Trust Wallet, for some reason, usually, or sometimes it happens, it cannot swap BNB. So basically, what you have to do is you just want to connect your wallet to either PancakeSwap or like Uniswap or something like that. You can search for that on the Play Store. Let me find it for you. So you can just go ahead and look for example, Uniswap, and then you want to install that. You want to connect your wallet to Uniswap, and then on Uniswap, there's where you actually want to swap your coins. So that's pretty much it. That's what I found that works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.